Welcome to Inertia Product Development, where we work with hardware startups and product teams to design and manufacture their innovations. We work across several industries, including medical and health, safety and security, vehicles and robotics, agriculture, and clean tech. Our process starts by helping customers develop and refine their product concept. Then we move to prototyping, detailed design and engineering, and finally manufacturing. Managing our customers' entire product development journey seamlessly under one roof makes us different than most other product design firms. My name is Adam Lucier, and I'm a manufacturing project engineer here at Inertia. This is Kinova's Link 6 collaborative robot, otherwise known as a cobot, and it's designed to assist humans in a variety of tasks. With 6 degrees of freedom, the cobot is designed with efficiency and precision in mind. We can choreograph complex movements using a simple graphic interface and adjust manually as we design each sequence. By using cobots, we're able to offload repetitive work, freeing up our manufacturing team's time to focus on higher value tasks. In this example, we're performing a cycle test to evaluate the durability of a client's prototype. What was previously a time-consuming and outsourced process can now be handled in our facility in a fraction of the time. And with cobots, we can deploy a client's project on our line, then rapidly reconfigure the automation to meet the needs of the next project. At Inertia Product Development, we're pioneering the future of manufacturing innovation through automation. If you're interested in learning more about how flexible automation can transform your next project, please get in touch at inertiapd.com.